Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, association. It's a B2 level noun, and it means a group or a connection. Pretty versatile, right? So, what exactly does association mean in practical terms? You can think of it as a formal group of people with a shared goal or interest, like a sports association or a professional association. It can also refer to a link or connection between things, like the association between exercise and good health. Let's explore some synonyms. Instead of association, you might say organization. For example, she joined a medical organization to network with professionals in her field. Another synonym is connection, like when you say, there's a strong connection between diet and mental well-being. A third synonym is affiliation, as in, their company has an affiliation with an international charity. Now, let's flip the script and talk about antonyms. One antonym for association is separation. For instance, the separation of the two teams made collaboration difficult. Another antonym could be isolation, as in, working in complete isolation can feel lonely. How does association fit into everyday conversations? Picture yourself talking about your hobbies. I recently joined a writers' association to meet other authors. Or maybe you're discussing an idea. There's a clear association between sleep and productivity. It's also useful when talking about professional groups, like, she became a member of the Teachers Association to access better resources. Here are some more examples of association in sentences. The company's association with the new brand improved its reputation. He had no association with a controversial decision. There's an interesting association between music and memory. To wrap up, we've learned that association can describe a group of people with a shared goal or a connection between ideas or things. It has synonyms like organization, connection, and affiliation, while its antonyms include separation and isolation. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge for the day. Create your own sentence using association and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.